Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing about Great Green Wall Initiative. So the Great Green Wall for Sahel and Sahara Initiative recently received 14 billion USD funds at the recent One Planet Summit for Biodiversity. And the funding is to be used to restore degraded land, strengthen resilience, create green jobs and protect biodiversity. Among the financiers, the World Bank has committed 5 billion USD, African Development Bank committed 6.5 billion USD, and the government of France committed 14 billion USD. Now, what is Great Green Wall Initiative? See, basically, it aims to transform the lives of 100 million Africans by growing 8,000 kilometer long and 15 kilometer wide mosaic of trees, vegetation, grasslands, and plants. So the Great Green Wall is an African-led initiative and it was started in the year 2007 by the African Union to combat desertification, land degradation and drought. Further, the project aims to restore 100 million hectares of degraded land by the year 2030. So far, between 2007 and 2019, the Great Green Wall Initiative has restored only 4 million hectares of land. Now let's discuss the key objectives of Great Green Wall Initiative. So the initiative aims to sequester 250 million tons of carbon and create 10 million green jobs. Now it will support the African communities to grow fertile land and increase economic opportunities for the youngest population. Further, the project will help to create climate resilience in the region where temperatures are rising faster than the rest of the earth. Now let's discuss about Sustainable Development Goals. See, the Great Green Wall Initiative will contribute 15 of the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and the main objective of the United Nations Convention to combat desertification is to reach land neutrality by the year 2030. Thus, the Great Green Wall Initiative will help achieve this. Now, what are the countries that are selected as intervention zones for the Great Green Wall Initiative? See, it is the number of countries which are mentioned in the list below.